Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge, your go-to channel for practical tips and strategies to level up your financial life and business mindset. Today, we're diving into a powerful paycheck ritual, a simple habit that has the potential to completely transform your financial future, no matter your current income or situation. Most people watch their paycheck disappear almost as soon as it arrives, but with a straightforward, repeatable system, you can finally take control and make every single dollar work harder for you. This isn't about earning more money overnight. It's about using what you already have in a much smarter way, following an 8-step routine that many wealthy individuals quietly rely on to build lasting wealth and security. If you're ready to finally break free from the exhausting paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and start building real financial momentum, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started. Smash that like button and subscribe for more actionable wealth-building strategies, tips, and inspiration every single week. Step 1. Always verify your paycheck. Before you do anything else, take a moment to carefully review your pay statement each time you get paid. Don't just glance at the deposit. Check your payslip for errors in pay, taxes, and deductions. Make sure your hours, overtime, and any bonuses are all correct, and that nothing looks out of place. Payroll mistakes happen more often than you think. Studies show up to 20% of paychecks have errors. Even small mistakes, like a missed hour or incorrect tax, can add up to a lot of lost money over time. Make it a habit. Compare your current and previous payslips, and if something's off, contact HR immediately. Don't wait, as the sooner you report an issue, the easier it is to fix. Protect every cent you earn. When you catch mistakes early, you keep more money in your pocket and build better financial habits. You can't manage money you don't realize you're missing, so stay alert and double-check every time you get paid. Next, get clear on your bills before spending anything else. List every due date and essential payment, then assign each paycheck to specific bills: rent, utilities, insurance, and so on. This system prevents late fees and financial stress, turning chaos into control. Know exactly what each paycheck covers every time. The golden rule: pay yourself first. Before spending on anything else, move a set amount into savings or investments automatically. Treat your future like a bill you can't skip. Automate this transfer so you never forget, no matter the amount. Consistency is what builds wealth, not leftovers. Secure your financial win before anything else. Now, hunt down those sneaky mini expenses and unused subscriptions. Scan your statements for recurring charges. If you're not using it, cancel it. Even $30 a month in wasted subscriptions adds up to hundreds a year. Keep what you love, cut the rest, and redirect those savings to your goals. Audit your expenses every few months for easy wins. Give every dollar a job with zero-based budgeting. After bills and savings, assign what's left to groceries, gas, entertainment, and more, until there's nothing unaccounted for. This isn't about restriction, it's about clarity and control. Plan for your fun, avoid end-of-month surprises, and stick to your limits. With a plan, you spend guilt-free and stress-free. Every dollar is working for you. Simplify your budget with a clear allocation rule, such as the popular 50-30-20 guideline. This method suggests dividing your income into 3 main categories: 50% for essential needs like rent, groceries, and utilities, 30% for your personal wants and lifestyle choices, and the remaining 20% for savings and debt repayment. This could mean building an emergency fund, saving for future goals, or paying down credit cards and loans. Remember, these percentages are just a starting point. Adjust them to fit your unique financial situation. Maybe you want to pay off debt faster, or save more for a big purchase, or allow yourself a little extra for fun. Think of the rule as a compass guiding you toward your financial goals, not a strict commandment you must follow exactly. The key is to find a balance that fits your lifestyle and priorities, and then commit to sticking with it over time. Having a structured plan makes it much easier to stay on track, monitor your progress, and achieve your financial dreams. Connect your savings to real goals: emergency fund, travel, home down payment. Prioritize building an emergency fund, then tackle high-interest debt. Once those are set, funnel extra cash into investments, even if it's just $25 a paycheck. Naming your goals keeps you motivated and focused. Every dollar saved brings you closer to your dreams. Your plan needs regular checkups to stay effective. Review your finances every month, adjust budgets, spot overspending, and realign with your goals as life changes. Don't judge, just tweak and improve. Small course corrections keep you on track for the long haul. Stay proactive, not reactive, with your money and decisions. That's the 8-step paycheck ritual to build wealth automatically. Verify, prioritize, pay yourself, cut waste, budget, allocate, fund goals, and adjust. Implement even a few steps and watch your financial life change. Like, subscribe, and share your own paycheck routine in the comments. Thanks for watching Entrepreneurial Edge. See you next time.